Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show a thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes. I want to see a bright smile on everyone's face because your smile is going to reflect in your work. Whatever you are doing, you will see the influence of your joy, your smile on it. Okay? So chalo with a badi wali smile and your bright thumbs up. Let's get started with today's craft. Okay? And today we will learn how to reuse these small things. Like many times we have broken earring, broken clip, and we have broken jewelry, rakhis we have, and like emotionally we are so connected with this kind of things. We don't want to throw it off. We have old coins, we want to collect it. What you can do using them, this we are going to learn in today's masterpiece. So are you ready? Show your thumbs up. Are you ready? Yes, thumbs up with smile. Yes, today's craft will help you keeping your all memories and memorable things in a very proper way with a lovely craft. Okay, very easy to prepare and it's beautiful. Like you can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. Okay, so chalo, let's get started. So I remember when I was reviewing artwork, so one girl told me I want to gift something handmade to my teacher. Can I please teach something of this kind? So yes, this craft is exactly of this kind. It's not like you need something very big of this kind as you can see on screen. You can use a small ceramic plate also. And I like see this kind of ceramic plates I normally use for making painting. And here you can see lots of color. But if you have this kind of ceramic plate, you can use this or this much big circle also for making your small craft which you are going to learn today. Okay, and material needed, you need something very thick. I will go for a quick revision. So you need something thick. It can be a cardboard which is quite thick. You can take like any frame. Many times we have any landscape or frame which is not of use. So you can reuse it for making this. So any thick base. So see, I use this chopping board. You can see this board. You can see its condition here. So it's not of use. So I simply kept it that I will use it somewhere. So today it's quite stiff now. It's old, but it's quite stiff. So I will use it as my base. And many times when
Hello, ma'am.
furniture,
Can I make an announcement, please?
yeah, sure.
All the kids who are raising hands or having some doubts, please share your questions in the chat box. Okay, we will try to answer there. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, you can share your queries in chat box. I will immediately reply. Huh. So, chalo. So here I will show the material, okay? And then whatever you have extra, like see, these are some puja malas. Now, puja malas. And what we do with this, like many of you, they simply do its pravah in rivers. But is this correct? We are actually polluting rivers. What we can do else? We can't throw it anywhere. And the same ways with Rakhi, there are some jewelries which you get in gift, but some stones are out. Pista shells, many times you have. So many times you have collection of this kind of old coins. है ना? These are very old coins. So anything you have available, anything, pista shells, some caps, some jewelry, some clips, broken bangles, anything you have, you can use that for making today's craft. Okay. And things we need, they are very simple. And why we are learning this kind of craft? See, this craft can be made as big as you want. Suppose you want to make a big treasure tree for your drawing room's signature wall, you can make it as big as you want. If you have any old thal and a very big thal of petal or any, and you want to make this tree on it, you can. Any big cardboard or any big piece of paper or any other material which is quite stiff, plastic caps and lids, old frame, anything you can use for recycling it. Okay? So, and what we need else? We need Favicol and lots of Favicol. Okay, so it is going to be a treasure tree. I will keep everything in box now. So we need trunk, है ना? We want to make its trunk. So for trunk, you can use any colorful paper, है ना? And trunk can be made in so many ways. है ना? With paper, you can cut the shape. You can cut cardboard. है ना? This cardboard is quite thick. So if I will cut the shape of trunk. So it will give 3D look, and when the color will support. And if you have anything of this kind, jute, so you can use this also for making trunk of tree, or you can use this kind of old cloth. And you can simply put Fevicol and you can press it this like this ways you can do its pasting. So what will happen? It will look like texture over it, and you will find amazing look. And you can use even this kind of paper, brown paper. You can simply crush, and what will happen? You will find this trunk kind of structure and you can do its pasting. If you don't want to do this, you can simply cut the shape. You can cut the shape and you can put as you find comfortable. Okay. So I selected this cloth for making it, but you can use paper. You can cut your paper, golden paper, whatever color you have available, you can go for it. You can even color it. If you don't have any colorful paper available, take normal white paper, paint it with brush pens or any color you have available, and you can use it. So if you don't have colorful paper, not to worry. And a thick wedding cards you can use. If you have some dry stick, many times when you do cutting in your garden, so some real sticks you have. So you can use that also. You can do its pasting and you can go for show it as trunk. So whatever you have available and whatever you have in your treasure box, you can use. Okay? So this is the material needed. Can I see what base you are going to use? I'm going to use this chopping board. What you have, it should be thick. If you will take thin, because we are going to do pasting of jewelry, beads, stones. So it is going to be very heavy. So if you will take a thin surface and a very thin base, so what will happen? It will not bear the weight of it. So it should be strong and thick enough. Okay. Old tray you can use, anything discarded. Many times sweet boxes which are made of thick cardboard, you can use them. And jewelry boxes you can use. So anything could be used. So chalo, let's get started. And I really want you all to learn this very sincerely, because here you will be able to use everything you have discarded. And it will turn up so beautifully in a lovely treasure tree. So I want to start it with bright smile. Yes, show your thumbs up with smile. And if you have any doubt, please message me. I will immediately reply. So ready? All of you are ready? Yes? Yes, MDF board you can use. MDF board is quite thick. You can use. If your cardboard is not big, Kanak, not to worry. See, I told you, you can make it as small as you want. Suppose you want to make your tree in this. You are taking this, you want to gift it to your teacher. So you can make a small, cute little mini tree in a cap. And anything could be used. You can make your tree here also in this cap. So yes, as small as big. So whatever size you have available, you can make it. Make sure your base should be strong. So, okay, shall we start? Yes. And I will keep this paper carefully. We will use it somewhere else. And today I will use this cloth for making my trunk of tree. So now the very first thing you will decide how much space you will leave for upper portion and lower portion. This you're going to decide. Now, many times we have this kind of plates. This is not very hard. So 3 to 4 plates you can paste. And afterwards, you can use this also for making treasure tree. Beautiful output you will get. Round shape will enhance the beauty. You can make opposite side also a beautiful treasure tree. So whatever, if you will start observing, you will see you have lots of things available. And this also I took out from a wedding card. So MDF board or any strong base could be used. So now very first thing you will decide, whatever you have, mark its center. It is in different shapes, like many of you are having rectangle, many of you are having square, circle. So mark your center. Come on, mark your center. Okay, you will mark your center. And now what you will go, the center we have now, here you are going to make your trunk. This is going to be your trunk, and complete upper half is going to be tree. Upper half will be, and lower half, it is going to be your trunk. Okay? Yes. I will show it with help of marker pens so that you can see and understand. So I will simply show it this way. simple round shape. And this is going to be trunk. So half portion I will use for trunk, and half, that complete upper half, is going to be my treasure tree, where I will do the pasting of jewelry. So it's no complex one. And here, little portion I will use something for showing ground. So it can be anything. If you have green grass, you can. If you have green paper, you can. You can put some stones, whatever you have. You will have to see in your treasure box what you have. Okay. I always keep my one box ready, and whenever I find that this thing I can use sometimes, I simply put it inside, you know, and use that. So yes. Okay, many a times in cardboard you have this kind of structure. So this kind of cardboard also we have many times. So you can even use this texture also. Many cardboards are having this kind of texture, है ना? So you can use this also. You can simply cut the shape. Shall we start now? Yes. So the very simple first thing is, you will decide your center. Lower half is going to be trunk, upper half is going to be tree. So what I'm going to do, I will take Fevicol. And if you're using cloth, you can twist your paper, you can twist bunch of thread, you can cut a cardboard, whatever you have available, you will start with that. And yeah, every artwork is having a beautiful story. Even today's artwork is having a lovely story. And while completing the drawing, I will love to share my stories. Every day at 8 on my YouTube channel, I publish one story for you, one new story for you, bedtime story. So if you are fond of listening stories, please do listen to those. So now what I'm going to do, I will take Fevicol and I will do its pasting. Thick Fevicol and good quantity. Now here, don't be miser of Fevicol. Put good amount of it. And this close-up view will definitely help you. And what I'm using a waste chopping board. And many times trays we have, plates we have, ceramic plates we have, and a little corner is broken. See, students, when are so used to of throwing things, and we are not thinking even once to repurpose it. What we are doing, we are increasing the heap of garbage. And you can't believe that now the level of garbage we are creating, it has reached to the level which has become almost uncontrollable right now. So see, I will use this and I will simply keep like gathering it like this. Okay. And this is the way I will try to make a texture and a kind of texture of tree. And as I put lots of Fevicol, I do this. Otherwise, you can cut your shape. You can cut simply on a cardboard and you can put golden paper. You have, like I showed, golden paper also in that. So you can cut your golden paper in shape of trunk of tree and you can make trunk of tree. So I simply used black old cloth for making it. Okay. Yes. And this is going to be the trunk of tree. Extra I will cut. Upper side also extra I will cut. Okay. So this is whatever you have available, you will use it. And with this, I find little textured look. You can see little textured look I found because this is cloth. Acha, lower side, I want to show ground and I want to show this is ground. So I can put something, if you have green grass sheet, you can. So I will be using this, a small stripe of it. I will not make it quite thick, a small stripe of it just to show ground. Okay. And here, if needed, we will do some colors. If not needed, we will skip this part because this color of wood is looking great. Okay. So this is the story of a farmer. Farmer was blessed with a baby boy and he kept the name Lakhan. What was the name of this baby boy? Lakhan. Okay, this story is available on my YouTube channel also. As I told you, I publish a new story every day, bedtime story every day on my YouTube channel. Please listen because before going to bed, if you take good mental diet, is very helpful. Come on, do this very effortfully. And by the time I will continue my story, and I will take out everything I have in a bowl. So I have these lovely beads, some wonderful, this kind of things also we have. We can either use it now or we can keep it for next class. And another in this mala, we have this satin ribbon also. We can use it somewhere afterwards. Thread also could be used for some purposes. So once you start observing creativity in whatever you have available, you will see it will not only help environment, but you will be able to create amazing items, amazing things by your own. है ना? So, and simply throwing it in rivers, it's somewhere going, we are going to contaminate our river. And we need to see that what ways we can help out our rivers. Simple. We can't be so irresponsible that we are simply throwing things and we are least bothered about what impact it is going to have. Okay? Yeah. So trunk, first thing you will do is trunk. First part is trunk. And after this, we will start with the pasting part. Okay? Yes. You can message me. Anurag, if you want to ask something, you can message me. Immediately, I will reply. Okay? So please share your query in message box. So you can make it as small as you want, as big as you want. Okay? And of any size, oval, square, rectangle, circle, any size it can be. Can you show how your trunk of tree is looking? Yes. And if you want to keep it very simple, simply cut this kind of shape and do its pasting. Wonderful. Lovely. Now what you will do, you will start doing pasting. So you will take Fevicol and you are supposed to apply a thick layer of it. Because if we are going to put jewelry, beads, and this kind of things, so if you will, your like your Fevicol will be less, so it will not grip. It won't be able to grip it. So you need to apply very thick layer of Fevicol. Come on, do this. Let's do it and start doing it pasting. Okay, come on. I will take something thick for doing pasting. Okay, and I will start from here. Acha, here, if I have some hanging jewelry, like earrings in which I have little hanging jewelry, so I can even put it here for enhancing its beauty. So see in this, I have little of hanging. See, this is hanging, so I can put it here. And a little portion if hanging will add on to the beauty. In this jewelry also, like I have little of hanging. So I will, if you have some of this kind of jewelry, you can put it and show, add those hanging effect for enhancing the beauty. Okay? See, this kind of kangan we get normally. So I will simply, okay. And now we will start with the pasting part. We will paste whatever you have. Earrings, broken clips, broken bangles, coins, what not. And you will try to create a variation. It's a variation when you will try to create a. Can you see this is earring of mine? It's a earring of mine. This is pista shell, this bead. Everything we are going to do pasting of. Okay? Chalo. So what I will be doing, I will first apply Fevicol and good quantity, Fevicol in good quantity, and keep pasting very close. There should be no space left between. Okay, no space left between. And every time, good amount of Fevicol. Okay, so I will be doing its pasting here. Variation also you can keep like I want to do pasting of pista shell here. I will be doing pasting of this. One bead, very compact. Don't leave any space here. Okay? And one after another, we will start doing it. And as I told you that if you have some hangings and all, you can use them also. I'm having so many beads. And so whatever you have in your treasure, now it's time to do its pasting over your treasure tree. Okay? Very carefully. And by the time when we are repeatedly doing this, I will continue my story. Each bead, each cap, each shell will have its impact over your treasure tree. And in the end, it will turn up in a beautiful tree. So all these beads, I can't reuse them. Acha, one more thing could be done. If you feel that your jewelry is very old, so golden color, acrylic golden color is also available in market. After doing pasting, you can simply take paintbrush and golden acrylic color. You can move over your jewelry. If you feel that my tree should look very new and very appealing. So you can do that also. But I will simply keep all my jewelry in its original colors. So I'm continuously applying Fevicol. Coins also, I will love to put some coins also. Okay. I will simply place it and finish it. Come on, keep trying. And I will continue my story. As we are going to do the same work, and we will be pasting and arranging things. So my story will somewhere make you understand. Now, the intention behind covering up this kind of classes. Let's understand this also. See, this kind of classes which we are conducting every Sunday is to make you understand that what we are doing with environment. Today, like every day, the trend and fashion is changing. And what we do, we simply are purchasing things as we can buy it, not actually because we need it. And this trend and changing fashion, what it is resulting in, that useless shopping, unnecessary shopping is resulting in lots of things, which are underused, not completely even used. Okay, and simply directly or indirectly reaching to landfills. And you won't believe, like big mountains uh, we have created, and the size of these mountains is it's increasing every single day. I will love to add some coins also, and somewhere some coins also I will put, and I will keep applying it and completing it. Okay, I will cut more jewelry and I will keep doing it. I have lovely colorful pom poms and everything. These all are puja malas, and every year, like we simply purchase new jewelry for Thakurji and all. So this puja samagri, है ना? So at place of simply and even the flowers we should use for making compost, give up the habit of. Or if anyone at home is doing so, please tell that don't do this. And let's make a better use. God will never like that all samagri will go in river and will pollute it. So we are supposed to understand that we are supposed to be responsible for the garbage we are creating. So see, this is the way I will use beads, golden, silver, and all. I will keep opening the jewelry and I will continue doing it. Okay. And yes, let's continue doing it. So this is story of a farmer. And farmer was blessed with a baby boy. He kept the name Lakhan. And once when he took Lakhan to one village, just to visit a fete, so there he was able to see one very lovely medicinal plant. One sale of medicinal plant was there. So he decided, I will purchase one plant and I will grow it in my village. And that plant was very unique, and he purchased one plant, and like on very first birthday of Lakhan, he simply grow that sapling of medicinal plant, and the name of this medicinal plant was kept Ram, and a Ram and Lakhan, Ram Lakhan. So, and they both grew together. So it was just like siblings. You know, these Plant and Ramu, they both were just like siblings. Okay. I will take more Fevicol and I will start pasting more jewelry. So, as I told you in advance, that we need lots of Fevicol. So now I will take Fevicol directly so that I can do my work quickly. Okay, I will spread. And as we are going to do pasting of all these things, so good amount of this is needed. Okay, so I will simply spread and yes, one after another, we will cut jewelry and we will start doing its pasting. So Ram and Lakhan, they both were growing together. They were just like siblings, playing together, growing together. है ना? And like there was a strong connection, strong bonding between Ram and Lakhan. This plant, the name of this plant is Lakhan in our story. So they both were very much strongly bonded, just like siblings. Okay? So see this ways I will start applying. Yes, I have lots of golden and colorful beads. I will be using them for arranging. Very carefully, you will arrange. And if you want to keep little variation, a lot of colors, so somewhere golden, somewhere coins, somewhere pista shells, all together you can put. And if you have just one kind of beads, one kind of thing, you can go for that also. So here I have multiple things. I will try to put multiple things all around. Okay. So I have some woolen pom pom. I have some colorful star shape uh, this kind of jewelry, and it should be very compact. It should be very, very compact. Okay. And you will be continue doing this. Okay. And during class, I will not ask you to show your work because I know you all are lost doing pasting of it. And keep doing with patience, with proper color scheme, with, adding variation and everything. And we need to do its pasting this way very carefully. Okay, you will keep applying and try to see that not even a single space should be left white. And you are supposed to do its pasting all over very carefully, spreading your Fevicol. And what will happen afterwards, your Fevicol will get transparent, and the only thing left that is your colorful treasure tree. Lots of treasure over, right? So I will again put little more here, and I will love to spread it with finger, or you can use any other thing also. I will first spread it here. What will happen? It will make my work easy, like I will find surface ready to do pasting. And yeah, now here this treasure tree, if you have any project in which you are supposed to use some grains, pebbles you can use, dry flowers you can use, dry leaves you can use. Using this kind of things also, this could be tried. So I will return back to my story. Okay. So what happened then? When Okay, I will simply open and I will put all this like this. Okay, and keeping out one side. I can take this kind of big flower shape, big beads here somewhere, and then, okay, but this is the way all the beads, all pista shells, you will keep properly arranging and doing its pasting. I will love to hang this, and this hanging part, I will love to place here, and here this side. It will give beautiful look. So this hanging portion I will keep here. And with lots of patience, I will keep pasting all I have. I kept it since long together with me so that I can use it for making this beautiful treasure tree. So what happened? They both were growing together. They were very much emotionally attached with each other, because Lakhan planted it and the name was given Ram, and they all both became young. And by this time, like the farmer passed away, and both like Ram and Lakhan, tree and this boy, Lakhan, they grew and they became young. Tree was lush green right now. Okay, see, this is the way you will be doing. If you feel that this is looking too big, you can remove it and you can simply do its pasting this way. So you will see this beautiful shiny texture will make it look like texture tree. Okay, I have a lot of collection of this kind of stuff. So I will simply cut all of them and I'm going to use it all for making this. So once what happened when farmer also passed away, so they were more bonded, like during very tough time of life when father was not there. So this tree was always there to support. So once what happened suddenly when pandemic happened in this village where this Lakhan was living, and this in this pandemic, like people were suffering from breathlessness, and they were facing lots of difficulty in they were digestion. They were not able to digest food. Diarrhea was happening. Continuous vomiting, and so all were suffering from this kind of very challenging situation and wanted any sort of solution. So one Vaidji is kind of doctor who use herbs for treatment. And Vaidji went search and find the leaves of this tree available. Told this is the only tree which could be savior. It can save the people of this village. And because this tree's leaves, it contain the medicinal property we are looking for. And if we will drink the sap of leaves, branch and all, so it can cure us and save the whole village. Now that condition was very challenging. Tree very happily, readily wanted to offer itself for services. Okay, and this news spread far and wide that there is a tree of this kind, which is having this quality that can fight with this disease which everyone is facing in pandemic. Okay, so now people, those who were suffering, they were coming, they were taking leaves. Although this tree was lush green and very big, it was lush green, very big, very huge. But if continuously you will keep taking leaves and branches, so one day will come when it will be exhausted. And same thing started happening with this tree. Okay, come on, is the work going on? Yes, yeah. And those who are having small surface, they will be able to finish the work quickly. And those who are having bigger one, like I used a very big board, so I need lots of jewelry and lots of flowers. So I'm simply collecting more of it, and I will do its pasting. So see, all the malas and this kind of stuff which I kept since long, I'm going to use them and will convert it in a lovely treasure tree. Okay, yeah. And lots of Fevicol. Please don't be miser of Fevicol. If you will apply less Fevicol, then what will happen? your all beads and everything will come out. And as we are putting something which is not of paper, so good amount of material of favicol is needed. Good amount of favicol is needed. Okay. Yes. So see, this is the way I took out all beads. I will put favicol and I will simply sprinkle. And this is also a way with which I will complete my work quickly. Okay. So what happened then? As this was the only source of healing and treatment, people from far and wide and all those who were suffering from disease, they were coming and every day they were plucking some leaves, some branches. And Lakhan was able to see that very soon this tree will get exhausted. But tree was more than happy, but Lakhan was somewhere worried about. And you will die one day. Lakhan with worry told this to Ram, that tree. Ram told, so what? And this for we all have purpose of life. My purpose is giving. If I can heal the village, then nothing is as good as this. So one day, what happened when continuously the leaves and the branches people were taking and trees were growing smaller, it was shrinking in size. And one day, night time, like Lakhan hugged this tree when few branches and few leaves were left and gave a hug and started crying bitterly, weeping bitterly. My dear brother, you are going to get finished. You will be finished within few days. Few leaves are left. And that time, that tree gifted some seeds and told, I'm always going to be with you. Take these seeds and grow new saplings of mine and grow many of mine so that in future, lots of people can get treatment. See, I and you, we all have a purpose. And this tree started telling Lakhan that we all have a purpose of life. And I'm very happy that I'm able to serve my purpose. That is saving countless lives. And you also don't feel bad. Take some seeds and grow many plants of mine, and I will be with you again. Don't get disheartened, my dear friend. Okay? And both of them, they hug each other. And then afterwards, what happened? But slowly, because of continuously people were eating and taking sap of these plant, they started getting healed, and slowly the pandemic also like was in control because of this tree. But by the time what happened, this tree was completely exhausted. Tree was completely over, and what happened then? Pandemic was also overcome, but tree was also completely exhausted. So Lakhan took the seeds and told, that now let's grow many of this kind and we will collect and preserve the seeds for upcoming generation, future generation, so that if any of the problem in future we have, they will be able to overcome. They will be able to give treatment. And then those seeds which were gifted, they sow it again. Lovely saplings came out. Although that Ram tree, Ramam, it was over, but new saplings grew again, just as if Ram returned back. Okay. So see, this is the way you will be doing pasting of it. Till end, I will do its pasting. And yes, make sure that you will keep the variation somewhere golden, some white, and so that lots of color variation could be there and it will look great. Okay. Now I will come here, this side, and I will simply spread it nicely. And we'll start doing pasting of next side. Okay, here. You can see so beautifully these are pasted and half of my treasure tree is ready. Using what? The things we keep collecting. We never throw this kind of things, but we don't know what to do with it. And this kind of small things when you discard, what they do, they go to rivers, they go to landfill. It's difficult to segregate. And small animals, aquatic animals, they take it and suffer. So this is the best use. You can make beautiful treasure trees on small caps. You can make small treasure trees also. and you can definitely gift it to someone. You can make this kind of treasure trees on bottles also. If you want to make some bottle craft, you can make this kind of, this kind of hangings I will put here, and I will spread it all over. Okay, and I will put it. Come on, let's do it now. I have big and small, both kind of stones. And we will quickly finish it all. Okay, come on, let's do it. Some golden, some colorful, and we will keep putting this very carefully, thinking and keeping in mind that the balance should not, it should look little colorful. Okay? Yeah. And see what we are doing, we are simply doing pasting. But in the end, when it will turn up, you will find a beautiful masterpiece. You can simply sprinkle. If you don't want to do pasting of one stone, you can sprinkle. As I have beads, so I'm going to use this technique of simply putting it like this. And this is, and we'll complete it. Let's complete it fully. So this is the way the whole villagers, they realized the importance of this medicinal plant. They valued the sacrifice of the tree. And I like it simply get exhausted giving treatment to all villagers. And they realize the importance of trees, like how much sacrifice trees are doing. You can see like we are cutting trees. We are not at all kind with trees, but still they are giving us oxygen. They are giving us and giving us. And they are never like complaining even that if you are not taking care of mine, why shall I take care of yours? So this is vast heartedness of trees. Okay. So see, you can clearly see my drawing craft is also like taking shape now. Beautiful shape it is taking. Okay. And very soon, like all the stones, they will, Fevicol, it will take transparent color. Right now it is looking white, but it will become transparent. Okay. So after once it is transparent, then we can easily, I will spread Fevicol little more here. I will spread Fevicol everywhere and sprinkle my jewelry everywhere. And anything you have creative, you can do its pasting, and you can simply, like many things are there, you're emotionally so much connected. Rakhis are one of them. And this puja jewelry is one of them. Many times you have a gift, and any jewelry, any clip which you got as gift and you don't want to discard. So this ways you can conserve, and in treasure tree, you can keep it for long, always in front of your eyes. Okay. Yeah. So I will simply spread this all over, and I will start sprinkling. Okay, I will first put this star-shaped this, you know, and coins. If you have coins and you want to make complete tree only with coins, it will look very beautiful. You know, you can make the combination, some coins, some, or any other, like some, many times you have woolen pom-poms, you can use them for, okay. So it's completely your choice what ways you want to use it. Okay. So here you can see everything I'm simply sprinkling, and all I was having is about to get over today. And I'm so happy that such amazing masterpiece I would be able to create. Okay, so this was our today's story. What we learned from today's story. And as we are learning a tree, so that's why our story was also based on tree. This story is teaching us that how much trees do for us. With help of today's story, I wanted to tell you that how much trees are doing for us. Always ready to give. Not in today's story, but actually also you will see they are giving us oxygen. They are giving us everything we need to lead our life. But what we are giving them in return? And this is something we need to ask to ourselves. What we are giving them in return? We are giving them nothing but disrespect, death we are giving to them. So now, and without this, we can't survive. If you don't want to think about trees, think about yourself. If you will not have oxygen, how will you be able to survive? You won't be able to survive even. So for your survival, you will have to save trees. This is a big lesson. And for that, we need to switch on to some very good habits on very special occasions like your birthday and all. Try to see that you can grow a saplings, you can grow a plant somewhere in nearby park or anywhere. Try to see that you can grow a plant. Okay? See, I will simply put and I will press as I applied good quantity of this. I'm able to. Okay. And we will finish it. Okay. So slowly you can see my treasure tree is looking so shiny, so antique. And here as the jewelry you are putting, that is like some is quite old, some is quite shiny, some is colorful. So together like antique look kind of, and a very rich and beautiful look you will get of this treasure tree. Yes, we will be applying everything we have. Okay, and see. Okay, and all the gaps we have, what we will do, we will take some small beads and we will try to fill. Don't leave any of the gap. Okay, fill it nicely this way. Even your bangles and karas and broken pieces of it, you can use it here. And base, you can use any tray, any ceramic plate. Suppose you want to give to your teachers, so ceramic tray. And even I told you, this kind of cap, this kind of small cap could be used for making a small, tiny tree. Okay, so you can use anything available for making it. So here I have lots of space. I will try to see that what ways I can fill the space. Here we have little space available. I told you in beginning only that lots of Fevicol be ready with. And see, I simply did its pasting. Okay, put Fevicol being vast-hearted. And you can see this treasure tree here. We have little space. I will put some here, some here. And a few here. I can put little bit here also. And you can see as applied a thick layer of Fevicol, immediately my all the gems and everything is getting settled. It is getting, I will leave it this ways only, and it will be nicely pasted. And this complete jewelry, which could go in Visarjan, I simply use it for making my lovely treasure tree. Okay, yeah. It's not complete yet. And these little hangings, these are few hangings. And you can see they will keep hanging and they will enhance its beauty. Okay. Now, tree is ready and this wooden texture is actually looking great. If you feel that your texture is not looking good, then you can even do its pasting. But if you're using cardboard, suppose you're using cardboard, so this is amazing color. This is the same color almost which we have. And lower side, if you have any grass mat or any of colorful paper, any of cloth or anything you find suitable, you can do its pasting here to show land. Okay. You can either go for round cutting or you can go for straight and your treasure tree would be ready. This is going to be your treasure tree. If you feel that you want to give the shape little round, so you can simply make it round also. Otherwise, this way is also it looks great. So you can go for round also. Round shape also could be given. Okay. And this is your final work. I will simply add little of it. Okay. I will simply add little piece of it here so that we can do pasting. I will paste it this ways. Okay. So it will be land and bus. That it's that simple as this is. Okay. Treasure tree is ready. Okay. If you feel now it's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking very creative, and very colorful. If you feel that you want to put little golden color on trunk of tree, or you want to put once the all the pearls get settled, you want to do its pasting. You want to put a golden color over, so you can try anything according to your creativity. Okay, I will be simply using this piece of uh, it for doing pasting. Okay, I will take a thick piece of Fevicol and we will simply do its pasting. Okay, I will take a thick piece of it so that very nicely it would be pasted. Very nicely. And if you feel you want to put layers of it, you can even put layers of it. Okay. And this is our final work. Okay. Pasting, you can take your own time. If your work is small, you would have completed. If it is big, then little more time here. For making land, you can take cotton balls also. You can take some cotton balls and all, and you can take help of that also for completing. Golden paper you have, you can take that. Blanket, any cloth. If you have green beads, suppose you have green beads, you can do pasting of it here. You can go for round shape for making tree. We simply kept the shape very simple so that we can easily understand and go with it. Okay, by the time I can see you all are lost in world of coloring. You are busy pasting your color, you're pasting your things and making it so beautiful, so amazing. You can make a lower portion also, and you can give a round shape also. If you want to go for round shape, you can give it a shape accordingly. Okay, you can do that also. In round shape, if you are making, then automatically upper side it will go round. Acha, by the time when you all are doing this, you are completing this, and we enjoyed a story. We got how important trees are and what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to go green. है ना? Now, if you don't want to think about Mother Nature, don't think about yourself. We can't even survive without trees. है ना? And Mother Nature, if we are not able to take care of Mother Nature, see this class of Sunday when we are learning how to reuse discarded things. Normally, according to our ancient traditional culture, we do pravah. That is, we simply flow all this kind of things which we use in puja in river, but it is not correct because this ways we are polluting our rivers, and God will never be happy when we go for this kind of pollution for rivers which we call them as mother. है ना? So we are supposed to be very responsible for this garbage we are creating. Acha, by the time when you all are doing this, I will show the artworks of pre-junior batch. Okay, pre-junior batch. In pre-junior batch, we have students of 4 to 7 years old. है ना? Many students are less than 4 also. So I will love to show the artworks of that batch. What kind of artworks we are teaching in that particular batch. I want to show that. Okay? I will not remove it as the work is quite wet. Okay. So here you can see this is the work. So we cover up this kind of cartoon characters. Now, leaf art is also part of our syllabus. This is my dream house. This is chocolate house. And you can see background elements. And we try to teach complete artwork. This is doodle art. We try to cover up different kind of houses. We try to see that what kind of diagrams students have in their syllabus. Okay. Landscapes using some shapes, different kind of flowers, flower anatomy also we try to cover up, sunflower, roses, hibiscus, and different kind of flowers. Landscape, here you can see using some geometric shapes, we completed landscape. Modes of transport also we try to cover up, train, aeroplane, helicopter, and different festivals we try to teach. This is Christmas. And national symbols, like students have a diagram of national symbols. So this is national tree, banyan tree, national flower, and a national animal, national bird. These are the drawing of sea world with geometric patterns, butterflies drawing, poster making, like India is spreading message of peace all over the world. You can see we use 2 big circles for making this bird. And impression art is part of our syllabus. Different animals we try to cover up. Here you can see we use letter V for making grass, circle, C for making ears, and 11 for making legs. So yes, we use alphabets, numbers, letters for every artwork. And right from pre-junior batch, we are guiding what is complete work and how to grow your work. See, this is poster making, dental care, folk art, we try to cover up folk art, my garden, good habits, drawings on good habits also. This is national animal, that is tiger, and a festival, Mahashivratri. So we try to cover up all different kind of artworks in pre-junior batch. So I showed few, and in pre-junior batch, we have students of 4 years to 7 years old. We teach how to draw and color both. Okay. And right from pre-junior batch, we are guiding and we are training them what is complete work and how to add background colors, background elements and all. And now I will show the artworks of junior batch. Junior batch, it means the students of 7 years to 10 years. Okay, what kind of artwork they pick up? I want to show this. So here you can see this is abstract art in junior batch. It means 7 to 10 years old. It is mixed media work, like here watercolor with earbud technique. Okay, we try to cover up figure anatomy also. This is Friendship Day special drawing. And this is Raksha Bandhan special drawing. Okay, so figure anatomy is part of our syllabus. This is Republic Day special artwork. And even poster makings we try. Pencil shading is also part of our syllabus in junior batch. It means 7 to 10. And we teach painting with fingers, impression art. This is painting with fingers. Sunflower with fingers. And Ganesh Chaturthi, we completed this work using letters and numbers. Acha, this is Hindi Divas special poster making. Like students have this topic in competition, but they don't know how to go for it. So with step-by-step guidance, we teach how you can make a complete artwork. Here you can see we have colors in background. We have elements in background. So using all, this is World Tourism Day. And this is again a topic students probably find and they don't know what to draw, how to draw. So this kind of topics also we covered. And you must be finding that drawing is looking so difficult. But when we use perfect technique, each drawing become very easy. So how to draw and how to color, both we are teaching. Maya, Yashoda and Kanha, we did pasting of cotton for showing Makhan. And a mermaid. And yes, this is Diwali special drawing of families celebrating Diwali. And so how to add elements around, how what color scheme you should go with. Coffee painting is also part of our syllabus. Coffee painting, coffee painting is part of our syllabus. We try to cover up different animals and different festivals. So here you can see male and female figure, and we try to cover up pencil shedding. These are artworks of junior batch. It means 7 to 10 years. Coffee painting also we teach in junior batch. Mixing of colors and this kind of artworks also we cover up. Life before internet and this kind of poster makings we cover up. Clean sources of energy and this kind of topics probably students find and they don't know how to draw. Impression art. You can see this is impression art with tissue paper, and animal anatomy is part of our syllabus. On World Zebra Day, we covered up this drawing of zebra. Our helpers, you can see here the elements around. What is the importance of background colors and elements around? This is finger impression. We personify a tree and created this finger impression. Face study is also part of our syllabus. We teach how to draw face, folk art, and different festivals, birthday drawing, and a birthday card if you want to make. So what kind of drawings you can add there. Watercolor technique also we teach. Pen art also we teach. Some abstract art also, like art when artist is lost in world of music. What ways like to Independence Day special drawing. So these all are artworks of our junior batch. Okay, I will show you the artworks of senior batches also. Yes, so by the time you all must have completed this, and treasure tree is also ready. If you feel you want to put some color here, you can. But I love this natural color of wood, which is really adding more beautiful and amazing look to it. But still, if you feel that you want to add some colors here, you can put some colors with acrylic colors, or you can use some dry color medium like plastic crayons or brush pens also for applying the colors. Okay, and this is all about our treasure tree. I can understand it would be difficult to lift up it because it is in pasting process. So I will, wow, many of you can lift up and show. Beautiful, lovely. And if you have some pebbles, pista shells, you can show them as stones to show the lower portion. Please do pasting of something here. Don't leave only with trunk. Some colorful paper or something to show ground also. Then it will look complete actually. And now about the important announcement. I will request all of you to call your moms so that this very important announcement they can hear about. Okay. Please call your mom or dad, whoever is elder at home. Yes. Thank you so much, moms, for your valuable time. We will wait for a little more time so that all moms can reach. Yes. Thank you so much, moms. This is to tell you about this offer we come up with so that students can go for long-term learning very comfortably without load over your pockets. So we come up with this kind of offer, especially for the students who want to go for long-term learning. So here, if you go for long-term learning for 6 months, suppose, so you can see the level of concession. At place of 6,000, it's just 3,911. And if you go for yearly plan, and at place of 12,000, it's just 6,400, around 50% discount. And this is especially for those who want to learn for long term. We provide recording of every class to every child after class with lifetime validity. And we teach how to draw and how to color. Holidays are on, and you must be looking for some platform where students can learn multiple things. So, yes, we frame our syllabus in such amazing way that these holidays are going to be like all in one for you, learning of all in one. We plan so many different techniques, craft also, coloring techniques, and different artworks, beautiful artworks, which would help you in your poster making, project makings, and all. So, if you want to secure your seat, as we have limited seats available, and the moment the seats will be full, we will close this offer. So, if you want to take the benefit of this offer, you want to go for long-term learning without load over your pockets, you can contact on this number. This is 701-799-7836. We plan many canvas activities, clay activities, and mud painting, watercolor painting, and different beautiful artworks, and so on, so that these holidays can be a complete learning for you. So please contact on this number before you miss this lovely opportunity. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to share your artwork on this number. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I review each and every artwork. So please share your artwork on this number, craft on this number, 93689400097 with your name. Okay. So this is all about, and I will request moms to be with us so that we can talk with you and have your feedback. So, my dear children, this is one craft where you can use whatever you have. You feel like to keep it always, but you don't know where to use it. You are emotionally connected, and you are you have some connection with these things. You find them very interesting. So, using a treasure tree, making a treasure tree, you can use them. I will request moms to be with us, and I will request my team member to unmute them so that we can talk to them and have their feedback. Okay. So now try to see and reuse this kind of things and try to create your small gifts. You can use a ceramic plate, you can use this kind of cap, and you can make small treasure trees. They will look very cute with whatever stuff you have available. So please, I will request my team member to spotlight parents so that we can talk and have their feedback. Yes. Yes. I will request parents to be with us. Hello. 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 Before we switch on to parents, I would love to show the artworks of senior batches also. So here in senior batch, we have students of 10 years plus. Okay. So here are some artworks of senior batches. I will love to show them. And here many moms and yeah, I will give you full view. So this is life before internet drawing. Okay, we cover up Madhubani and folk arts we cover up and watercolors. We try to cover up watercolor paintings also. I will give you full view so that you can clearly see. We try to cover up this kind of artwork. This is doodle art based artwork. This is coffee painting again. And doodle and mandala. This is and still life is also part of our syllabus because many students are preparing for elementary exams. This is abstract art with wet and wet technique, and we cover up different kind of artworks. I will show you them too. This is painting with fingers, completely with fingers. And this kind of things also we teach. And this is Children's Day special artwork. And this is picnic. And here you can see combination of pencil colors and what colorful colors. Coffee painting is also part of our syllabus. This is coffee painting. Pen art is part of our syllabus. And figure anatomy, animal anatomy, bird anatomy, poster making, whatnot. This is wet in wet technique. We learn this artwork on Valentine Day. So this kind of artworks, and if you want to see in detail, you can visit our Argio shop. There, all the artworks we covered up, you will be able to see its picture. So this is all about our today's work, and I will request moms to unmute them, those who are spotlights, so that we can have word and have your feedback. So please try to unmute yourself, moms. Yes. Ma'am, those who are spotlight, please try to unmute yourself. I can see Anika,
Yes.
Avishka. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Please share your feedback.
So my daughter is anyways going for your drawing class also, and she loves it. She enjoys it. In fact, the best part is she's also, practicing it at home.
Wow.
And today she didn't have a lot of material. So what she tried to do is she still wanted to, take part in it instead of getting disheartened, and got matchsticks and folded the paper and started doing it.
Wow, so amazing.
Yeah.
It shows the presence of mind and
Yes, so this is something. So she folded the paper, she used coins, matchsticks.
wow. And believe me, my dear ma'am, it's looking so fabulous. It's so
Yes,
beautiful.
yes.
Ma'am, can
And
you please turn on your
I
camera?
have a 4-year-old also. She also goes for your drawing class, and just every day, I think they remind me. They've started learning how to now log in into Zoom so that they don't miss out on my class if I'm not there.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, this is our first victory that they are joyfully attending the class.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
this is the very first doubt parents have, that in online class, will child be able to learn?
Yeah.
And if joyfully,
Yeah, actually, you're right. That was my biggest worry, but I'm really happy the way they are progressing, and it's been great. It's an amazing experience for them.
thank you so much, ma'am. And my dear, you did excellent work with available material.
Oh my
It
God.
shows how amazing artist you are, my dear. Very well done. Don't forget to share it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share your experience on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. 100%. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Please wait a couple of minutes, parents, because ma'am is turning on her camera.
Yes. Yes, I will request other moms also and kids also to unmute themselves so that we can have feedback from them too. Yeah, please try to unmute yourself. Hello. This is so beautiful. You can also show this is so beautiful and amazing work. Like your ground part, specially, you worked a lot to make, and it's beautiful. Lovely. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible? Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, my dear.
में क्या बनाया इधर गमू दी लट के इधर उन्हें आलू बेटे हाँ मैम की बहुत
Yes. Please try to unmute yourself, ma'am. Yes, I can see your beautiful artwork. Please try to unmute yourself, my dear. Beautiful work. I can see you did pasting of shells, I think, Anna, and it turned up so well. And I'm more than happy to see that students use their presence of mind and whatever they were having available, shells and whatever they were having available, they completed. Very good. Very well done. Yes, I will request moms to be the part of the communication. Hello, ma'am.
Vamika ma'am, you are unmute.
Okay. No, I am. Am I audible?
Avishka ma'am, you are unmute.
ఇట్లా పెట్టు ఏం కదా అయ్యో అంటే కనిపిస్తలేదు డిజైన్ ఇగో దగ్గర పెట్టు
Yeah, ma'am. I will request moms to unmute themselves so that we can talk.
ఇగో ఇట్లా చిన్న కనిపిస్తున్నప్పుడు
Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Shruti ma'am, can you please unmute yourself?
మంచి పెట్టు
Vamika Arora, you are already unmute. If you want to talk with teacher, you can. She can see you.
Yeah.
मैम वामिका को दिखाना था कि उसने ये बनाया तो मैम कुछ बोलेंगी कि हाँ
हाँ,
तुमने
मैंने
कैसा
मैंने
बनाया।
कहा भी कि इन्होंने बहुत
हाँ।
सुंदर बनाया और अवेलेबल मटेरियल से इन्होंने कमाल का काम किया है।
जी मैम
वामिका बहुत सुंदर बना है। आपको मजा आया बनाने में? मजा आया? एंजॉय किया? अब इस तरह से ढेर सारे आप बना सकते हो टीचर को गिफ्ट देने के लिए, कार्ड्स बनाने के लिए, इवन बॉटल्स और कंटेनर पे भी इसको बनाया जा सकता है ना?
मुझको कुछ बनाने के नहीं आया तो शायद से चिपका दिया है क्या?
हाँ, इस वाले आर्ट में यही तो है कि चिपका के हम इतना सुंदर बना लेते हैं। और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि आपके पास शेल्स थे तो आपने थॉट दिया कि मैं शेल्स चिपका के इसको बना लूं। तो ये जो क्रिएटिव थॉट है ना, ये मैं चाहती हूँ कि सब बच्चों में हो जाए। आपको पता है यहाँ हमने मोती चिपकाए, आप ढक्कन चिपका के, जो कैप होते हैं ना हमारी बिस्लरी बॉटल्स वगैरह के, आप उन ढक्कनों को चिपका के भी ये ट्री बना सकते हैं।
उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम, आपने बहुत अच्छा सिखाया।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, और इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू मैडम।
थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छा बनाया, वेरी गुड। I will request other moms also to unmute themselves so that we
Hello,
can.
ma'am. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm very well. Thank you so much. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for this arrange this kind of class. I had attend first time today, and this is a first work to online classes.
Okay. I'm really-
Whatever she have available, she used all these things and made such a tree and with the paint as well. So
Okay, that's
she
amazing.
was scary first of all to attend this class, but gradually she enjoyed it a lot. Did you enjoy? Say hello, ma'am.
You did excellent work. Show your work. How it turned up. I want
You
to
can say
see.
in हिंदी में बोल सकते हो मैम को थैंक
हाँ,
यू।
हिंदी में बोलो बेटा।
बात
आपको
करो।
कैसा लगा?
कैसा लगा क्लास?
I made this.
This is so beautiful, my dear. So beautiful.
मैम कह रही हैं आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया।
बहुत अच्छा बनाया और कितने अच्छे से पेस्टिंग करी है।
Yeah,
आप
actually,
हाँ,
last year in summer she joined the painting class, drawing class. So she's just started learning.
Wow.
She didn't continue that time, but in this year I am looking for the join again same. So
Okay.
this
Now,
when I scrolling Facebook and I find out your class, so at the same time I booked this one. If I find anything good, so I'll join it. So thank
Yeah.
you so much. I also enjoyed this very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And she did really excellent work. Very good, my dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank
Have a
you.
good day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Lots of blessings. I will request other moms also to unmute them. Yes, those who are spotlight, they can unmute themselves.
Meenakshi ma'am, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, madam.
What is this?
Hello.
Is my voice audible to you?
Yes, yes, you're audible, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Hello. The class actually Pavika joined yesterday also in the class. So
Okay.
yesterday I think she made that beautiful sparrow. Maybe she was showing it to you at that time. And today she has not much material, but she used some flowers and all that. She just put it on her this chopping board. There was a chopping board in the kitchen, and she got it and put things on this.
Okay.
Actually, I have, ma'am, some doubts. Like, you'll be starting a fresh batch for new students. Like, Pavika is new. Will
Ah,
there be this will be the new batch?
yes, ma'am. We are going to get started with new batch from tomorrow. And
Okay.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will be getting started with new batch. I forgot to announce it. Thank you so much for asking. And our each artwork is always new. We never repeat the artwork. And we always start our every artwork with scratch, like with a dot, with basic
Okay.
instructions. So that students, old or new, they find comfortable to learn. And our new batch will get started from Monday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
Okay. There will be only fresh students in this batch. Okay.
Yeah, please,
There
pardon,
will
ma'am.
will there be only fresh students in this batch, or there will be some
No,
others who are
no.
already?
As I told you, ma'am, that this is going to be the mixing. Our each
Okay.
artwork is always new, and we start our every artwork in the ways as if we are teaching freshers.
Mm-hmm.
And that when we get started with new artwork, that is our new batch. We are taking it
Okay.
in mind. Let's, if you like, I think a demo class will help you understanding our methodology. And
Okay.
I will suggest you to take one demo class, which will help you understand that when you are learning with the students who are already learning, how student is grasping. So that practical experience is going to help you out. You can book a demo session in that case.
Okay, ma'am. And one more thing, if
Ah,
I choose for the
no
6
repeat.
months class,
How is this?
what are the things they will learn during this course of
Darshan ma'am
time?
another.
See, we try to cover up, if it is pre-junior batch, so we focus a lot on drawing and coloring
Vertical.
using plastic crayons and brush. I think when noise is coming, team, please unmute them if someone else is talking behind. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. So see, in pre-junior batch, we focus on drawing and coloring both. In that, we use color medium, that is plastic crayons and brush pens. And
Okay.
with shapes and words, we teach them anatomies of flower, animal, different vehicles, as I told you, different kind of houses, different landscapes, different poster makings of their level. So we prepare them on the. When we reach to pre-junior, junior batch, in which we have students of 7 to 10 years old, then it is little advanced, like coffee painting, pencil shading is also part of it, and their figure anatomy and all these of little advanced form they start learning. You're
And
like what?
Pavika,
Yeah,
pardon me, Pavika is 9 plus.
9 plus.
So she'll be joining the junior batch then?
See, I will love to see the artworks first, like how much command she is having on basics. So we
Okay.
see and decide the eligibility after looking at artworks. If she's 9 years old, it means she's capable enough to capture the instruction. So
Yeah,
yes, from my side, she's eligible for junior batch.
okay,
And
ma'am.
as I showed the artworks, our junior batch artworks, they are quite mature. You can see
Hmm.
this is our junior batch artwork. है ना? Figure anatomy, complete figure
Yes, ma'am.
anatomy. And our each artwork is like, you can see its level is quite high, junior
Yeah,
batch. So
yeah,
our
yeah, I
students
can
are
see.
doing great and we guide them perfect method of making it. It's not like simply copy. If you're making partially side face, complete side face, what ways you should make the circle, then you need to decide the features, what is going to be the proportion, the perfect method we follow, and using that we teach so that in future student can implement her or his own ideas and can frame
So that
um,
it can be applied actually in other
yeah,
fields. If they want
yes,
to
other
apply it, they
fields
can.
also, yes, as far as competitions are concerned, where on the spot topics you get, and a poster making, charts for school, diagrams for your syllabus, all they are able to cover up.
Okay, ma'am. One more. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of
Nay,
time.
nay, please, please. Actually, this parents meeting is with this intention only. Many parents would be having the same doubt, which I'm able to clear through you.
Okay,
Please.
one more thing that I want to know, whenever you take the class, for example, tomorrow's class, the kind of material they will be using for the class, you will give information about that beforehand?
Yeah, ma'am. Like, see, when in junior batch and senior batch, we use coffee painting or so for that, we give special information. Otherwise, the material list is already mentioned in description. So that basic material I want
That is
students to
general.
keep.
That
That
is
is
general
general.
material.
And I
Okay.
want them to be ready with all that material because maximum coloring of mine is mixed media coloring. I love to teach them because it come up very beautifully. So I want them to be ready with all general material every class. But when we are learning coffee painting, like tomorrow we are going to be learn coffee painting in junior batch. So you will get the list in advance.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
ma'am,
Thank you
please
very
feel
much.
free if you have any other doubt.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. And yeah, one more thing, ma'am. We provide the recording also. After class, we provide recording of every class to every child for lifelong so that student can practice n number of time.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request other moms also to unmute them.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. I can see beautiful work. It's so lovely. Amazingly done. Ma'am, please share your experience. My dear, you did it beautifully. Very good.
So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Lots of blessings. Ma'am, please do share your experience.
She actually loved doing this, ma'am. She collected all the Rakhis she has. So out
Acha.
of those beads, she did this tree. And we're looking forward for this drawing class. We already took a demo.
Okay.
Hopefully, it will be starting tomorrow, right?
Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, please share your experience. How was your demo? What you experienced in your first class?
It was good, ma'am. I mean, she got to know what kind of shapes we are supposed to use and what sort of pens or crayons, what are they used for. So she's good. She's showing so much interest in it.
Okay. So in first class, you are able to see like she's able to capture the
Yes, yes.
instructions and all. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And you did excellent work, dear. Very good.
So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Lots of blessings. I will request other moms also to unmute them so that please try to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Pranshi,
Because
ma'am, you can unmute yourself. I have requested you to unmute.
yes, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
Ma'am, this is the art of Sanskriti.
Wow, very good efforts. Lovely.
Ma'am, this is Sanskriti. Ma'am, we have not so much treasure, so we use bindi here.
Wow. See, that's what I'm watching now. Like students can think beyond elders could. Like use of this and the very first parent which showed. So she was having nothing. She started using earbuds. She made some quilling material. So once they have idea that how things could be used, I can guarantee they will start reusing and repurposing everything and will be able to save the environment. So this is really lovely work and with bindis it turned out so well and creative. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please, what was your experience throughout?
Ma'am, Sanskriti enjoying so many classes, and we also share with you so many drawings, and
Yes,
you
yes.
appreciate with her name, and she is very much happy. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
Welcome, my dear. Why are you hiding, my dear little artist? Come in front. You're doing such amazing work and see this presence of mind like you were having nothing and you simply used bindi. See, such amazing creative thought. You can use caps also, like dhakkans of bottles and all. We can make a tree out of that also. Very soon I will.
Ma'am, it's a good habit of her. She can collect so many snails and so many sand things from sand, and also collect so many cutting the treasures means जो वो जो
हाँ
पहनती है ना, ये
हाँ
सबको
हाँ।
काट करके और उसको कलेक्ट कर देते हैं.
अरे वाह, तो ये सबको भी आपको इसमें चिपका सकते थे संस्कृति. ये सारी चीजें जो आप कलेक्ट कर रहे हो ना, इससे एक भी ट्रेजर ट्री बनाया जा सकता है. ठीक है. आप सारी चीजों को मिक्स मैच करके, अभी हम आगे भी बहुत सारी चीजें बनाने वाले हैं जिसमें हम इन चीजों को भी यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि टूटी हुई ज्वेलरी होती है जिसमें कोई एक स्टोन निकल गया तो हम उसे फेंक भी नहीं पाते, रख भी नहीं पाते, तो इसका क्या करें, है ना। तो हम इसके बहुत सारे यूजेस आपको सिखाएंगे। जैसे आज हमने ट्रेजर ट्री सीखा, तो संस्कृति हमें चीजों को रीयूज करना है, रीपर्पज करना है, ताकि हम ये जो कचरे के पहाड़, गार्बेज के माउंटेन्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, इसको हम रोक पाए और एनवायरमेंट को बचा पाए। ठीक है, तो हम सीखेंगे इससे भी। Yes, I will request other moms also to unmute them.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, my dear. Lots of blessings. I will request other moms also to unmute them.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, hi. Good, ma'am. This is Gurman's artwork.
Wow, very good. So creative.
So this is the first time he is joining your class, and he has really loved it. Yesterday was his first demo class. So he made it
Okay.
a point that he has to attend, and everything from my own treasure he has taken, and he has done it beautifully. So
Wow.
he is looking forward to joining your classes now.
This is really a lovely work, my dear artist. You did great work. Wonderful. Enjoyed
Thank you,
it?
ma'am.
Yeah? Enjoyed it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. He's enjoyed
Okay.
it and he's loved it a lot. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request other moms also to unmute them so that we can have their feedback, and like they're quite valuable to us to make us understand that how much children are enjoying, what feedback. And I can see this beautiful tree.
Good afternoon,
Hello.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Now, yes, I can see this beautiful, colorful tree. Such amazingly you completed. Beautiful.
Yes,
Pista shells and all. Wonderful.
Wells, coins, and whatever she had completed.
It's so beautiful.
She enjoyed your class a lot. She eagerly waited when the class would be there.
Okay.
So last week only we have started. She has already joined a pre-junior batch.
Okay.
It's the first online class that she is excited to join, because other
Wow.
classes we tried because she was always getting bored. And mean daily night, every your bedtime story you shared at 8 o'clock, the bedtime story, na? She
Yeah.
listened that story every day.
Wow.
First she listened the story and then she go to sleep. So she
Wow,
is
that's so
enjoying the
amazing.
class very lot. I'm so happy that you're teaching such a good manner.
Thank you
Such
so
a
much, ma'am.
right drawing teacher got from a daughter.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp also. Ma'am, one more thing, like many parents, those are attending a class this for the first time, they would be having this doubt that in online class, will child be able to learn?
Yeah.
What is your experience? Definitely this doubt you also would be having when the first time like child would be attending. So please, what was your experience? Please share in few words.
I was not sure that she would be able to sit for the class or not, but she was sitting quietly and she was all attentively, because 45 minutes the class demo was there. So she told me that why the class is over so early. I want
Acha.
more. I want it for 1
Okay.
hour. So I'm so happy for that.
Wow, that's really
It was a very
great.
good
Like,
thing for me.
if they will do joyfully, na, then only we will be able to explore their creativity.
Yeah.
With
She
pressure
was,
in, yeah.
yeah. She also want to talk with you.
Yeah, please. Hello.
Yes, Mimi, hello.
My dear, you did it so beautifully, like grass with green color, and the way you arranged like pista shells and flowers, it has turned up so creative and beautiful. Wonderful.
बोलो मुझे आपकी क्लास अच्छी लगती है बोलो she's little bit shy but she enjoys your class.
Yes, your artwork is speaking itself that you are joyfully doing. I told you now, your joy is going to reflect in your work. You're doing great and you're an amazing artist. Lots of blessings, my dear. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request other moms also to unmute them so that we can talk to many of you. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
Ma'am, please share your
Not
experience.
completed yet.
Okay, but it is going on so well. It's lovely. Wonderful. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do share your experience. How was your experience?
मैम मेरी दो बेटियां हैं अवनी और आरोही. Avni is
अच्छा
9 years old and Arohi is 7 years old. 6
अच्छा
years old. Actually, मुझे भी ये डाउट था कि ऑनलाइन में कैसे होगा और कैसे बच्चे कर पाएंगे. लेकिन आप जो स्टोरीज सुनाते हैं वो बहुत अच्छी है, क्योंकि मुझे पहले दिन लगा कि आरोही ने कुछ खास ड्राइंग नहीं किया था, वो छोटी है बहुत, तो उसने
हाँ
ड्राइंग नहीं किया था, तो मैं सोच रही थी। लेकिन आपने जो इंग्लिश में स्टोरी उसको बोली थी, एक्चुअली वी आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, पुणे,
हाँ।
तो
अच्छा
स्टोरी मुझे मराठी में सुनाई रात
अच्छा।
में। हाँ, तो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलो, लेकिन वो खुद से कर रही है अभी, मतलब वो एक क्लास
हाँ
से करती है, उसको लेट होता है ज्वाइन करने में, फिर भी उसको वो रहता है कि मुझे जल्दी जाना है और ज्वाइन करना है।
अच्छा, चलो, ये इतनी छोटे होके बच्चों में अगर ये उत्सुकता है तो ये
जी।
हमारी सबसे पहली विक्ट्री है। और ये सुन के तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वो स्टोरीज, क्योंकि बच्चे जब शुरू शुरू में प्री जूनियर बैच में होते हैं तो सारे कई बच्चों के एक साथ सारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स उतने एक्टिवली नहीं होते, जैसे काम अगर कर रहे हैं तो सुन नहीं पाते। पर अगर वो स्टोरीज, क्योंकि स्टोरीज के पीछे का इंटेंशन यही है मैम कि ये एक गीली मिट्टी है, ये फ्यूचर है और हमें इनको तराशना है अच्छी वैल्यूज के साथ। तो ये सुन के बड़ी खुशी हुई कि वो स्टोरीज को इतने अच्छे से सुन रही थी और आपको सुनाया। तो दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग, थैंक यू।
स्टोरीज सच में बहुत वैल्यूएबल होती है, और उसके कारण वो जो ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं उसमें भी उनका मन अच्छे से लगता है और उनको वो याद
यस
रहता है।
यस यस, वो कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं आर्ट वर्क के साथ। तो मैम
अब
आप खुश हैं आरजीओ क्लासेस के साथ, आप खुश हैं?
जी जी, वेरी मच।
और इन्होंने और
अभी वो
इन्होंने
लास्ट वन।
हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत सुंदर, वेरी गुड माय डियर। आप बहुत अच्छा बनाते हो और सारे आर्ट वर्क मेरे साथ शेयर किया कीजिए, ठीक है? वेरी गुड, यू आर अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, और अपना फीडबैक जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।
ओके मैम,
थैंक
थैंक
यू।
यू।
Yes, I will request other moms also to unmute them. Please try to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Kyra ma'am, you can unmute yourself.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Lovely. And you did pasting of cloth for showing ground, and a green cloth. Very good. Amazing, my dear.
No, ma'am, she has colored it and she has sticked that wrapping paper, gift wrapping paper.
Wow. And it is looking
There.
so wonderful on screen. Ma'am, what is your experience for our classes, our regular classes, and our this kind of classes we are conducting every Sunday?
She is enjoying, she ask herself, now she is enjoying too much. She always waits for your class now. If I today was two classes back to back parallelly, na, she had a abacus class and she had this class. Now she said, "Mama, I'll join art class today, not abacus class today." I'm waiting for your class so that she need. Ma'am, she
Wow.
wants to show some of her drawings she made her by her own.
Very good. It's so beautiful. I shared the number of my personal WhatsApp number now. You can share them there also so that I can give my suggestions and appreciations both. Wonderful. These are
Yeah.
colorful artworks.
Yeah, she always sits and do this type of drawing, no?
Yeah, this is really wonderful that she's devoting time for doing something
Yes,
creative.
ma'am.
It's
She was
really
eagerly
amazing.
waiting for her turn na, to show all your art, show all her drawings to you.
Wonderful. Yes, yes, lovely. Ma'am, you can definitely share the artworks on the number which I showed in the end of the class. There I
Ma'am, it's
review each and every
yeah.
artwork personally.
देखो मैम को पसंद आया।
बहुत अच्छा बना है, वेरी गुड। आपने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है और आर्टवर्क और क्राफ्ट दोनों बहुत प्यारा है। वेरी गुड बेटा।
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम, लॉट्स ऑफ
She's
ब्लेसिंग्स।
good. She has already joined your classes now.
मैम क्लास में बहुत मजा आया।
मजा आया? क्लास में ड्राइंग सीखने में अच्छा लगता है?
हाँ।
सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस अच्छे से समझ आते हैं बेटा?
हाँ, मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आता है।
अच्छा, तो आप कौन से बैच में हो? प्री जूनियर बैच में हो? हेलो, I think she left the class. Okay. I will request other moms also to unmute. We can see two of them as spotlight. Please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Hello, how are you? Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
I'm Rajalakshmi's mom, and she started attending two of your drawing classes, And today also she really enjoyed the craft activity, and
Okay.
mostly she likes drawing. She do her own scribbling and all those things. Now she is eagerly waiting for the class.
Acha, that's really amazing that students are joyfully attending class, like no
Yeah, she
pressure.
used to ask. She used to ask like only the class are there in Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But she used to ask, "Mama, today class is there. Mama, today class."
Okay, that's amazing. In that case, you can do one thing. You can pick up some artworks from Art Geo shop and you can
Yeah.
try them. It
Oh.
shows how amazing you artist you are. You want to learn every day.
She used to in her house also. She used to do painting whenever she gets time. Maybe she takes my things. She do her
This is,
scribbling
ma'am,
and
this is something amazing. Like in today's time when parents are worried about mobile, students are having like screen time is increasing. If child is doing something creative, that I think this is a very good news for every mom and every parent.
and
You're,
also she used to tell the yesterday also, you ma'am, you have told her story regarding the sparrow and all. So
yeah.
yesterday night she started telling, Mama, today's story is this, and she explained all the story.
Acha, अरे वाह, that's amazing. It will help vocabulary, creative thinking, and yes, they will become the soldiers to save the environment. These stories
Yes.
are somewhere, make them, will they understand that what is the importance of nature and all creatures around us.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, and please do share your feedback also.
Yeah,
Thank
yes,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much. And I will request other moms also to unmute them so that we can talk and yeah, try to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Avishka ma'am, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. I think some technical issue she's facing. I will
Ma'am,
request.
you have already unmuted.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You can.
Yes, ma'am.
Sri
We
Lakshmi,
already done.
Sai Lakshmi.
Yes,
Sai
yes,
Lakshmi,
yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah,
Hello,
this is
ma'am.
the last class actually.
Hello, ma'am.
And yeah, hi, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yesterday only I joined your WhatsApp group, and today actually I didn't prepare anything for her, and she only picked some cartoons by herself and make this.
Wow. Very good. But with whatever available, she created wonderful masterpiece. I can't believe this much creativity they are blessed with. Wonderful work, my dear.
Actually, every day she cuts this. The ones are there, right? The girl. She cut those papers, and I scolded her. Why are you cutting those papers every day and you put on the floor and everywhere? Then she is telling me, Mama, we are not preparing for this one, right? Then I stick these ones.
And believe me, it turned out so well and creatively. I can't
Yes,
believe. Beautiful. Even the trunk and ground she did so creatively. Wonderful work, my dear. Very good. Very good.
she's interested in artwork and drawing, but till now she didn't take any classes outside and all. Then can you please send me the few details for the classes, timings, and the dates
Yeah,
and all?
you can contact, my team will contact you and they will provide with multiple time slots we are available for one class. So you can select any of them. So you can contact to my team. You will find the number in description. I shared the number in class also. And otherwise they will contact you and will provide you with all the details.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, I will request other moms also to unmute them. I can see lovely drawings and trees in hands. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. How are you, my dear?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Enjoyed the class?
Yes, ma'am.
You did really wonderful work. The tree is looking awesome. Wonderful. And colorful as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Wonderful.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback, ma'am.
She's very, ma'am, thank you so much for, ma'am, yesterday she sent her that mango wala work and you replied, she was so happy.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it was a very wonderful experience for Pranshi and she's very excited every time.
And even the tree she wonderfully made. Beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. She wrote her name here and sweet home.
I told you, na, like they have level of creativity which we can't even think about.
Yes,
Beautiful
ma'am.
work. Beautiful work. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, ma'am,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
She has joined your drawing classes also.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
That's amazing. I'm very happy that students are joyfully attending class and growing day by day. Thank you so much,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
have seen first time I have seen like such a good online drawing classes.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And it's a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. I will request other moms also.
Avishka, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, we already did. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
One more thing I want to show you about Avishka. You can see how much crazy about she is painting.
This is mural art.
Whole room is completely painted with the colors.
In drawing language, we call it mural art. Wall painting.
He's making small pictures or draw and color it and wipe it out sometimes. She's crazy about the painting. So I'll definitely join this course.
Yeah. Yeah, she's born artist. It is proved.
Even still she's doing, you can see.
Yes, she's lost in that world, I can see. And this kind of level of devotion, this is God gift, I think. This is blessings of Almighty God. And how, with lots of confidence, like she's doing coloring and all. Okay.
Previous one to wait for a while.
Yeah. Wonderful, colorful works and very balanced, stability in hands. Good.
I'm just showing to mom. Wait. Showing to mom. Wait.
Good. Beautiful efforts. Hopefully the classes will give that direction, while doing work, how thoughtfully you are supposed to be. Very good work.
Wait. Ma'am is watching. Wait for a while. Yellow, black.
Wonderful. Very good, ma'am.
There are lots of she's opened already.
Ma'am, you can share it on WhatsApp. I shared the number. Now I will love to review all the artworks there.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes. Do we have
Ma'am?
Hello. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, my mother is not at home.
Okay. I will love to have your feedback. How was the class? You enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you got all the instructions clearly? Very good. Very good efforts.
Ma'am, I was not having any of the materials.
Okay. So you can prepare it now after collecting materials. You would definitely be having some rakhis and some this kind of work. Things and shells and all. So you can make it after collecting them all. Okay? Wonderful work you did. Even though you were not having material, but whatever you were having available, you did excellent work. Very good. Yes, I will request other moms also, and then we will wind up. For students, it is too long, I think. So after some time, we will wind up the class. Yes.
Many drawings I will. I've even made many drawings.
Hello.
5 बजे तो नहीं जा पाएगी. थोड़ा लेट हो जाता है.
Actually,
Hello,
he
my-
is very interested in arts, Mukund.
Okay.
So one of my friend, she suggested your arts class number. So then
Okay.
when we started, we thought for only for 1 month we will give a trial. But now after seeing your drawing, painting and all, we like to continue for these classes for next couple of months also.
Wow, that's amazing, ma'am. And is he attending joyfully? And such amazing tree you created with available stuff.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Actually, he is
Very
very
good.
interested in arts, ma'am. He draw this like God photos, like Lord Shiva and everything he draws. So we
Acha.
joined him in normal classes also, arts classes. One of my
Okay.
friends, she teaches.
Acha.
But more than this, we thought it's a normal class, online means.
Acha.
But yours is very beautiful, ma'am. He's doing very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for your
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. And you did excellent work, my dear. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And I think it's too long for kids, so we can even wind up. If we have few more parents left, we can talk to them and then we can wind up. Because students are sitting for long, and I think so. This is
Ma'am,
all about.
ma'am, we
And
can wind up the class.
yes. So, my dear parents, before winding, I would love to remind you that we have the offer available till the seats are full. And the moment the seats will be full, we will close the plan. Thank you so much for all of you. Did really wonderful works. Many students are showing their work. It's excellent and lovely. Efforts are great. Lots of blessings. Take care. Bye bye. Beautiful work you did. Great. I can see Adarsh, Arshi. I can see Anika. I can see Avishka. They all are showing their work. Beautifully, you completed. Very well done. And even Anika, Chahal. Lots of blessings. Take care. Bye bye.